Nowadays, many parents are enticed to homeschool their children. There are just too many benefits to ignore it. In fact, recent reports show that more than 1.2 million students in the United States are already obtaining their education through some type of homeschool study. This shift can be seen as a reaction to the current state of affairs in our public and private schools. Either way, more parents have decided that homeschooling is the best option for their children, and we should continue to see more and more people realizing the benefits of homeschooling their children. However, there are many details that need to be worked out before you begin a homeschooling program. 1. Which parent is best suited to perform as a teacher? 2. How do you develop an approved curriculum? 3. Is the child in question ready to be homeschooled? 4. Where do you turn for help? 5. And finally, when is the best time to begin homeschooling? Many parents wonder if there is a specific age or time to homeschool their children. They want to be sure that by the time they have decided to homeschool their children, they have made the right decision and that it will definitely be for their children's own good. However, most experts will agree, deciding when to homeschool comes down to two key points. Do you as the parent think the child in question will benefit more from a homeschool program or one of the more traditional in-class setting? And secondly, are you the parent and now the teacher, better suited to teach your child than someone that has been professionally trained? So, in reality, there is no appropriate time to start homeschooling. The key point here is that as long as you think there is a benefit to homeschooling your children and as long as you feel that your family is prepared for the task, and then you should consider a homeschool program. Because let's face it, no one is going to look after your children better than you are. Now, the next most important step after you've decided to homeschool is to make sure that you're fully prepared and equipped to complete the task. You need to spend a fair amount of time becoming aware of all the things you're going to need to provide your child's education. And if you have a shadow of a doubt, you should continue to maintain their current learning process until you are fully prepared to take the next step. Therefore, the question as to when to begin to homeschool your children isn't really the question at all, it's a matter of when you're ready to start classes. This decision is usually the result of some type of situation that happened in the existing school the children are enrolled in. But you should be sure not to make a snap decision to move to homeschooling until again, everyone is prepared and equipped for the lifestyle change. Homeschooling can be one of the most rewarding and satisfying roles a parent can take the development of their children. This can also be one of the worst decisions made if not executed correctly. So while homeschooling may appeal to you, make sure you speak to other parents who've decided to homeschool, speak with other students that have been homeschooled, and take a good hard look at the student or students that will be homeschooled. You won't be able to make up for time lost. So choose wisely. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.